everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing and prepping. I'm going to Seattle and Portland here in a couple days. Honestly, I'm kind of freaking out. Once again, I waited till the last minute. I have no idea what I'm going to wear. I have so many things to do and I just don't know how I'm going to get it done in time. I thought I would take you guys along with. You guys seem to really like my packing and prepping vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm also going to be posting a Seattle, Portland week in my life vlog once I get back. Definitely stay tuned for that video. We have a lot of fun stuff planned. Today, I need to figure out my outfits. I need to glow up. I need to start packing. I feel like figuring out the outfits is literally the hardest part. First things first, I'm just gonna make a little list of everything that I need to get done before I go. The first thing is figure out the outfits. I spend so much time figuring out the outfits. This is literally the hardest part of going on a trip for me, is figuring out what to wear. I like to kind of plan it out of what outfits I'm wearing each day so I don't bring more than I need. And then I usually bring like a few kind of extra basic pieces. So that is my goal today, is just to figure out the outfits. I don't even have a rain jacket and I'm going to Seattle. Those are kind of the things I forgot about. And now it's too late to order anything online. So figuring out the outfits is the number one thing that I need to get done. A little glow up. I need to get my nails done. As you can see, they're looking really rough. Gotta get the nails done. Gotta get the lashes filled. Actually, I have an appointment for both of these here in a couple hours. After my appointment, I think I'm gonna go shopping. I wasn't gonna do any shopping. I thought I had everything I needed. I do really need like a rain jacket. We're gonna go whale watching. We're gonna go to like a waterfall. I definitely need some kind of like rain jacket, windbreaker, or something like that. I need to edit a vlog that's gonna go up while I'm gone. It's like halfway edited, but I need to finish editing that. Then I need to pack like everything else. Like that's not outfits, like shoes, accessories, makeup, skincare, hair care, camera stuff, medicine. I also need to deep clean my apartment. Hopefully you guys can't see how messy it is in this video because it's literally so messy. It's crazy because I just cleaned it, but I really need to do a good deep clean. I hate coming back from a trip to a messy space. I need to redo my self tan. It's actually looking pretty good. I found like a little hack of using gradual tan to kind of extend and maintain your tan, and like it's literally, usually it would be like faded by now, but it actually looks really good and fresh. If you guys self tan, you need to check out some gradual tanners. Then I need to edit this video. That's everything on my to-do list. I have a lot to get done. I have about an hour before I have to leave for my appointment, so hopefully I can get the outfits kind of figured out in that time. Let's just get started. Out some pieces that I've been loving lately, kind of paired them with some pants and layering pieces. I feel like these are really good options for the days that we're in the city. I also feel like I need some layers like this outfit. It could be chilly at night or in the mornings, but like hot during the day. I need to find a way to add some layers to these outfits, and I just need to figure out the more casual, comfy, athleisure type outfits, and I have to leave in like 10 minutes. I was gonna try all this on, but I really need to leave like right now for my nail and lash appointment. I just got to my nail and lash appointment. Here are my nails before. They're looking pretty rough. I think I'm just gonna do something neutral and clean. Here are my lashes. I'm also getting my lashes filled. They're looking super sparse. This is like a great little glow up. Here are my nails. I think they look so good. I did like a sheer pink with some chrome. These are so gorgeous. This is like exactly what I was wanting. I also got my lashes filled. They're looking so much more full, so much better. I feel like a new person when I get my nails and lashes done. Now I'm just gonna go shopping and pick up some last minute things for my trip. I'm gonna look for some kind of like cute kind of windbreaker. It's the next day. I need to get all of my packing done today. Finally have the outfit solidified, so I'm ready to really get into the packing. Really quickly, I wanted to show you guys some things that I picked up for my trip. Not anything too crazy. First up from Aritzia, I actually just got some socks. I got these Wilfred Daily Crew socks. It comes with white, cream, and pink. I couldn't decide on the white or the cream because I feel like if I'm wearing a white t-shirt, the white will look better, but I kind of like the cream with the brown loafers. I think it looks a little bit softer. I ended up just getting this pack because you get both. I wore my loafers yesterday with some like kind of thin socks that I ended up kind of getting a blister. I think because the socks kept like sliding down like past my heel. I don't actually think I'm gonna take the loafers on my trip. Although they're really cute, I think I need to break them in a little bit more. I did want to have some loafer socks in case I did want to bring them. I also got some TNA socks. These are the best ever ankle. Yeah, these are just like my favorite socks and I was needing some more of them. I also got some beauty items from Ulta. I actually showed this in a recent summer vlog if you guys watched that video, but I'm gonna show it again. I feel like these are good travel tanning products. Basically, I just got 3 different gradual tans. They were having a really good sale. I got this Bali Body self-tanning milk. I've seen this all over TikTok. I've seen a lot of people talking about this. It's basically just like a gradual tan when I self-tan. By this point, it would be like completely faded, but as you can see, it's looking pretty good. It actually looks pretty fresh. It doesn't look as faded as it normally would because this is like a whole week. I've been testing these out kind of throughout this past week. I'm gonna be there for like a week. Was trying to find a way to make it last longer without having to actually kind of redo my self-tan midway through the trip. So I got some gradual tans to just kind of put on at night, kind of help my tan get a little bit darker as it starts to fade and just kind of maintain it throughout the week. So I got this one. All of these are pretty natural since they're gradual tans. If you already have a base self-tan, this just kind of helps it last a little bit longer. This one has like a good fresh kind of scent. I also got this Tanologist a hydrating gradual tan lotion. I think this is probably the one that I'm gonna take. I ended up using this more days throughout the week, so I feel a little bit more confident taking this one. It's like a hydrating lotion, but then it also tans you a little bit. This one kind of smells like coconuts, but it's a very subtle scent. This one has worked well for me like throughout this week. Lastly is this Glow Your Own Way Next Level. This is in the Insanely Dark. I felt like this one would be too hard to take on the trip, so I actually didn't try this one out yet. It also has kind of like a subtle, fresh, clean kind of scent, and you mix this in with like some moisturizer, or you can just do it on its own, and it helps your tan last a little bit longer. From Sephora, I really wanted like a face tan. I got this Luxe Unfiltered face tan, or like bronzing face drops, I guess is what it's called. I've only used this once and I didn't notice like a huge difference. I did feel like my face was a little bit tanner, a little bit more glowy. It wasn't like a crazy difference. Like if I just put self tan on my face like overnight, I feel like it would look quite a bit darker. I thought this would be better like for my trip. My tan on my face just fades really fast. I also just restocked my Refy Brow Sculpt. I absolutely love this, and mine is like completely gone, so I needed a fresh one to take on the trip. So I also got this. Also got this windbreaker. I'll link it below. It's a very cute fitting windbreaker, and I feel like this is a good essential that I'm just kind of missing in my wardrobe. Got this from a sports store. It's also on Nordstrom and Amazon, but the store I got it from, it was like over half off, and they had one of my size. It's like a nice little windbreaker. Lastly, this wasn't really for the trip, but I thought it'd just be fun to include. My sister recently went to Charleston. There's a giant Brandy Melville there, and if you guys know, you know, Brandy Melville is just one of my favorite stores, so she picked me up a few things. She FaceTimed me. First up is this butter yellow tank top. I actually already wore this. It's just like a little cotton yellow tank top. It's a really nice fit, super cute, love the color. I also got some butter yellow kind of pointel like pajama lounge pants. Of course, they match perfectly with the tank top, which is actually kind of hard to find in Brandy Melville because they don't really sell sets. Everything is like separate. Great job to my sister for finding a matching set. These are just really cute pajama pants. I probably will take these because they're nice and thin and really comfy. She also got me this white tank top. She sent me a picture of her trying this on, and I was like, can you pick me up one too? Because I've actually been looking for a little tank top like this. I might actually take this on my trip too. Lastly is this gray little pointel tank top. I love this pointel material, and I think this tank top is really cute. This would be great for lounging, or it would also be cute to actually wear. I've been wanting a cute kind of gray, not cropped tank top. Every gray tank top I have is like really cropped. That is everything that I got for my trip. Now I'm just gonna organize the outfits and get them ready to go in my suitcase and start packing all the cosmetic items. Here are all the outfits. On the first day, I'm gonna wear a white tank top with some dark wash jeans and this cream sweater in case it's like chilly at night. The next day, we're gonna go whale watching. So I just have these kind of tan pants and a white t-shirt. And then this for Wednesday night, just going to get dinner and doing some shopping. This polka dot top from Princess Polly and these medium wash jeans. And then Thursday, I have this Skims shirt and leggings, and then also this striped long sleeve shirt. We're gonna be driving to Oregon and stopping at Mount Rainier. I have a dinner outfit for Thursday night. Friday, we're gonna be going to like Waterfall and possibly Mount Hood. So I just have bike shorts and this little striped shirt and this hat. It's like cute to take pictures in, but still comfy. Friday night, we're going to the beach and it's gonna be pretty chilly. So I have this sweater and some linen pants. Saturday, we're gonna be in Portland. So I have these white jeans and this cute like little scrunchy tank top. A couple different pajama sets. These are all like extras. I have a gray hoodie, a pair of shorts in case it's like warmer, and then a white t-shirt and a black t-shirt. I have an airport outfit because all of my sweats, I need to wash my sweats. Like all of my gray sweats are dirty. So I think I'm just gonna take some gray sweatpants and like a Skims tee. I need to do a gray load of laundry. Probably just gonna do something like what I have on right now. So that's my plan. Now I just need to get all the accessories packed. Here are the accessories, nothing really too crazy. I'm gonna bring a couple kind of thick headbands, this slim belt from Aritzia, this black and silver belt I just got from Princess Polly, a bunch of just like chunky earrings, like silver, gold and silver, basically the earrings that I wear most often. I just kind of threw in here with like this heart necklace from Ana Luisa that I wear a lot. I kind of thought these sporty sunglasses might be cute, and then my oval sunglasses I wear a lot, and then I have a gold pair of sunglasses I'm gonna take as well. I'm gonna bring this belt back because I feel like it'll just be a little more practical for like the hiking and walking and stuff. The other days I'm just gonna bring my black Coach Brooklyn bag. That's all the accessories, and now I just need to pack all the cosmetic items. I feel like this is a little bit tricky with flying. I usually like to carry on most of my like getting ready products, like my Dyson I put in like a little carry-on. I usually put all my kind of like getting ready stuff in there, whatever makeup, skincare, hair care products that I can fit in a quart size bag. Anything else that's like a liquid I'll just put in my checked bag. I also put like medicine, contacts, stuff like that in there. If my bag were to get lost, at least I would have kind of all of my essentials to get ready. So I try to kind of keep all that in a carry-on bag. Let's just get all of that together. Now it's time to get everything in the suitcase. Some of the cosmetic stuff I'm gonna have to do like the morning of. Let's try to fit everything in here. I need to leave extra space for anything that I might buy. I'm really nervous this isn't all gonna fit. I have a few more things that I need to pack, like medicine, camera stuff. A lot of that I'm gonna have to wait till like the morning of. I think that's everything for now. Take a little break. I was like getting everything in my bag. I kept remembering more things that I needed to pack, and my apartment was messy. I took a little time to clean my apartment, wash my makeup brushes, water my plants. I also packed my carry-on that I'd show you guys what's in here. Also, I took off my makeup. I'm gonna self-tan here in a second. Here is the bag I'm taking for carry-on. It's just this Lululemon backpack. I also have another carry-on, which I'll show you guys in a second. In this backpack, honestly, there's a lot in here. First off is my medicine. Anything that I couldn't go without, I try to carry on, because like if my suitcase were to get lost, it would not be good. This is basically all for migraines. I'm also bringing my film camera. Anything that I might want to use or anything that's a little bit delicate, I also like to carry on. I just have it in this little bag so it doesn't get scratched. It's this Olympus Stylus camera, and I also have some extra film. All my liquid makeup products. These are all kind of like my must-have products. Next, I have this bag. This is from Drift Avenue. I just have all my chargers in here. Next in here, this is all my camera stuff. I have like a mini tripod, which is why I have you guys propped up on something right now and it's not like my usual angle. And then I actually just got this, but it like suctions. It's like MagSafe and you can use it for like phone content. I feel like this will just be nice to have. I'll probably put it in my purse. I also brought a camera strap. I don't know if I'm gonna use that, but when I went to New York, it was pretty nice to have. And then in here, I kind of have just anything random that was in my purse. I have my purse. I just put it in the dust bag to keep it from getting scratched. I just took everything out of it because I had like a lot of lip glosses, hand sanitizer, like liquid items. Actually, I might put like this bag in here to help it keep its shape and also just to save space in the backpack. Now I just have my prescription glasses and a pair of favorite sunglasses, and I just put them both in cases. Lastly is my iPad. I need a little case for this, so I just put it in this like back zipper, if you guys can see that. And I also brought the keyboard, which is kind of like a case. I'll probably just use this for like watching movies or if I want to get some work done. Lastly, some snacks. I just have these little pretzels. Also, I have this little crossbody. I also like to keep this on me when I first get to the airport and I'm just like checking my bags, going through security, so my ID and everything is like really handy. Before getting on the plane, I can just throw it in the backpack. In here, I have my wallet, my MagSafe charger, AirPods. If I have room, I'm also gonna bring my Bose headphones. I don't feel like I really need these because I'm gonna have my AirPods, and these are a little bit bulky when you don't have a lot of space. I do think they would be really nice, especially when like watching a movie on a plane, trying to get stuff done. This is the other carry-on bag. You can just roll it, which is really convenient. I just kind of put all my cosmetic stuff in there that I don't want to check, like my Dyson, all my skincare, hair care, shower care, but I just take out all the liquids and put them in my checked bag. Non-liquid makeup products, jewelry, like I just kind of put all that stuff in there. I feel like I'm pretty much packed. Now I'm just gonna get in the shower, scrub all the self-tan off and reapply a new coat self-tan. I'm also gonna tint my brows. I feel like they're just looking a little bit light. Next day, the day that I'm leaving. I feel like my fake tan turned out really good. I used the Loving Tan 2 Express in Ultra Dark. My bags are completely packed. I'm just about to leave. I wanted to show you guys the final packing situation. I have my big pink suitcase. It's almost at 50 pounds, so I might actually have to take a couple things out. I think I could fit a pair of shoes in here. This little carry-on cosmetic bag I kind of showed as I packed it. I basically just have my Dyson, all of my non-liquid makeup products, my toothbrush, jewelry, and my other hair tools. And then I have my backpack. I kind of showed you guys what was in it. As you can see, it's pretty full, so I'm just gonna head to my mom's house and we're gonna drive to the airport together. I think my grandparents might be taking us. Wish me luck getting my 50-pound suitcase down the stairs of my apartment. I also wanted to show you guys my airport outfit. It's not anything groundbreaking. I'm literally wearing the shirt I've been wearing throughout this whole vlog. I did wash it last night. The shirt is from Skims. It's the cotton jersey tee. I just have this Mega Fleece hoodie from Aritzia in Heather Cloud White. These are the balloon sweatpants from Aritzia in Heather Cloud White. For my shoes, I have the New Balance 530s. I'm gonna be wearing these throughout the trip. And then I just have my watch from Heaven Mayhem, my gold earrings, name necklace. That is the outfit. Now let's go to the airport. I love the Kansas City airport. They recently redid it and it's just so cute now. It was so old before and there was like no food, no coffee options. Now there's like a bunch of popular coffee shops in Kansas City in there. It's just really cute and aesthetic and fun. This is the mini version of the place I was just in my most recent vlog, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's a mini version inside the airport. Got to Seattle and we're gonna grab a quick burger. I've been seeing this place all over like TikTok. We're gonna go try it and the burgers are only like $3. That is everything for this pack and prep vlog. Definitely make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I'm going to be posting a travel vlog for my trip. Like I said, we're going to Seattle and Portland and I think it's going to be really fun. I've never really been to the Pacific Northwest. I'm really excited to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below any trips that you have planned or your favorite place that you've traveled to, even just something fun that you're doing this summer. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.